Hi, welcome to the Pro Sport Academy 12-month online therapy mentorship page. Where do you want to be as a healthcare professional in 12 months' time? Now, I use the term healthcare professional because ultimately, although I'm a chartered physiotherapist and I've got a master's degree in strength and conditioning, I have had to spend tens of thousands of pounds in continual professional development over the last few years to be happy with where I am at now as a clinician. Because ultimately, the more I get exposed to trickier cases and more complex cases in professional sport with professional athletes and also private practice, the more I realize that my skill set that I was given as a physiotherapist, just really tipped the iceberg. And that's fair enough. But this whole therapy mentorship program is all about giving you the skill sets that you need to deal with people, okay? Because the person in front of you is the most important thing. And we can read all the journals online, we can read all the literature, but ultimately there will be a person standing in front of you with emotions, okay, with a history, with a story. And we need to be able to help them help themselves get out of pain. And that's why I expose you over the 12 months, and we need 12 months to do this, minimum, okay? We need 12 months to expose you to some of the top mind coaches in the world. We need to expose you to some of the best people in the world giving patient education. Then we need to expose you to some of the top manual therapists in the world so that when we put our hands on people, we don't cause them to further increase the tone or further increase their anxiety. Because ultimately, at the end of the day, and I've learned this the hard way, that the tone of the tissues ultimately is controlled by the mind, the subconscious mind, okay? And I've been there where I've been digging my elbow into people earlier in my career, and the more I go on, okay, the more I realize that we need to understand how the respiratory system or physiology or neurology, the impact that those two have, including then also the immune system, has on the tone of the tissues. Because to be a successful sports therapist or a sports physio or a sports chiropractor, we need to look at the body as one. And that's my ultimate goal with this 12-month online therapy mentorship. I would love for you to be in my team. I would love for you to, trust me to mentor you over the next 12 months so that if you've got some tricky cases that you're struggling with or you're struggling to get a change, that you feel comfortable to ask me for my advice. I can show you what's worked well for me and I can just give you a different opinion. On top of that, I'll have some of the world's top guest speakers every single month. You will have some of the best mind coaches, as I mentioned. You'll have some of the top chiropractors in the world, some of the top physios, osteopaths, surgeons, okay? Even some of the best patient education people in the terms of pain science, okay? I really want to give you a broad range, okay? I want to give you a system, okay, but I don't want to force anything on you. I want you to step back. I want you to make your own mind up and implement it into the system that you're probably using already and getting great results. But I just want to take you that step further, and in 12 months' time, I want you to have really developed a sound clinical reasoning so that you're just not giving the same exercises to the same patients with the same symptoms. I want you to see the person in front of you and to step back and go, okay, what's this person's story? Okay? And then from there, we can start to formulate really a bespoke treatment plan for every single patient. Okay? On top of that, feel free to have a look around this page. And also don't forget to sign up for my 7 essential tips for sports physios and sports therapists. Okay? I'm going to share with you 7 fundamentals that have stood the test of time for me and really helped me over the last few years. So once again, thank you for stopping by. I hope you're going to join us for this brilliant 12 months. I'm really excited. I'm really passionate about what I do. I love what I do, and I love helping people help themselves get out of pain. And I'd love to share that passion with you also. So once again, don't forget to sign up, and hopefully I'll see you inside the members area.